Meditation is to make life happier, joyful, blissful, and much more. Now you asked how to start doing meditation. For that, one, you have to choose the technique which works for you. And to start with meditation, you would need to have a comfortable place. And third, but most important, your willingness to do it. So I'll describe all of them one by one. First, to choose a technique, one thing you can do is go through Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, the 112 meditation techniques. Now that sounds a lot, but what you can do, go through the whole list one by one and read each sutra, which is generally 1 or 2 lines or 3 lines, and whichever appeals to you, you shortlist that and then go through the entire list and make a complete list which appealed to you in the first instance. So for example, you liked 10 techniques which was appealing to you. Out of that you see like which was more appealing, and then practice that technique for 21 days. If you find that initially, even in first day or second day, you're not finding it useful, then you can move on to second one or third one. I'm sure out of these 112 techniques, one technique at least you'll find which would be very suitable to you. For example, the first technique, be with breath, is the most simplest, and using this technique, maximum number of people became enlightened. The first technique of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra is also known as Vipassana. Now Buddhists think that Vipassana is the Buddhist method and Buddha invented it, but it comes much beyond Buddha. Yes, Buddha, you can say, reinvented or reinforced or made Vipassana very popular. So first you pick one of the technique out of these 112 or the techniques which we are documenting. We will be documenting approx 150 meditation techniques. The 112 plus the modern days techniques. But that would take some time. So right now, whichever you find useful from 112 could be a good start. And also if you check our YouTube channel, youtube.com/meditation foundation, you'll find techniques over there. So first thing, pick a technique. Second, find a comfortable place. Now, either it's in your house, if you can have a dedicated place, that would be really nice. A place where every day you just meditate and do nothing else over there. So it could be even like as small as like a corner in the room, or just like a chair where you can come, just where you can sit, nothing more. What happens every day when you meditate there, the energy becomes positive and it starts supporting. The air becomes supportive for meditation. The very environment becomes something which supports you to go deeper into meditation. And if you have, if you have wealth and if you can afford to have one room for meditation, that would be even beautiful. But at least have one place where you just meditate and do nothing else over there. For the place, you can find anything where you feel comfortable to sit. I personally recommend somewhere where you can keep the back straight without any support. But there is no problem with support also. But if you keep it with support, then that time it is good, but after some time, like if you practice it without the support, then it becomes the back becomes stronger, and if the back is stronger, then it makes the whole body part stronger. So that way it's good to have no support, but if you want to keep support, it's perfectly okay. In your meditation space, you can make it as comfortable as possible. The comfort could be, you're looking there and then I got confused.